TCS has officially opened All India NQT Hiring for
2024, 2025, 2026 batches.
and this could be your chance to grab packages up to 9 plus LPA. But wait, many students still don't know about the eligibility test pattern or how to apply correctly. So let's break everything down in simple terms. So in this video, I'm going to explain the complete details about TCS All India NQT hiring, eligibility, salary packages, test pattern, important dates, and how you can apply step by step without making mistakes. So make sure you're watching the video till end. And if you're new here, I'm Namrita, and on this channel, I post the video, tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses. So if you're new here, do check out my videos and on the notification bell for latest updates. And follow my social media handles for more. And in WhatsApp channel, I'm posting the job updates regularly. So you can just join the channel and apply for any jobs as soon as possible.
Click on accept all cookies. So here you can see the hiring for 2026, 2025 and 2024 batches. And here you can see the packages of digital and prime. Just go through that. And here you can see registration started on 18 Feb and it will be ended on 20 March. And test date will be sent after 10 March 2026 onwards.
So now let's see the application process. So the first step will be login into the TCS NextStep portal. Then you need to register and apply for the drive. There are two scenarios. One is if you are new user and another is already if you have account in TCS NextStep portal. So if you already a registered user under TCS NextStep portal IT category, and while registering if you selected IT category, you can log in with your CT or DT reference number. And after registering, like after applying for that, like after logging, you need to click on apply for drive option to complete your registration. This is scenario A. And in scenario B, if you're a new user, like you're creating new account in TCS Next Step portal, then you need to click on register now. Then again you need to choose a category as IT and you need to proceed to fill your details. And if you have any doubts in filling the form and everything like about TCS Next Step portal, I have already made a video on this. You can check in the I button or I'll just give in the description. You can check out. And it is mandatory to click on apply for drive to complete your registration. And don't worry, I'll also show you how you can like register or fill the details here also, and links and everything I'll be giving in the description. You can check out from there. And they have mentioned that the application form can be filled after the test results are declared. So you don't have to fill the application form immediately. You can fill it after the results are out. And here will be the steps which you need to follow. So you need to select on which you want to be evaluated, and you need to select in center mode of test. You must choose three preferred test centers and you need to click on apply. Kindly note that allocation of test center will be depend on the center availability only. Okay. Then select the three preferred job cities, and to confirm your status you can check track your application. I'll show this everything, don't worry. And the status should reflect as applied for drive. Okay, so don't worry, I'll show you now everything. And here's important note that you must have all your original academic documents up to date, like all your academic documents you must have. And it must be submitted at the time of the interview, so make sure you're collecting all your academic documents. And the communication related to the test will be provided by the official test partner, that is TCS ION. And they don't send any hiring related communication through the email IDs such as Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, etc. So if you get such mail from such like domains, you should not trust those. And if there anyone asks to deposit money, and you should not fall for the trap, because TCS don't ask money for this. and meeting TCS eligibility criteria is mandatory. They'll review at each stage, and if they find you ineligible for this, they'll simply disqualify you from any round. And for any assistance, you can just reach out to the TCS help desk team. Here is the email ID where you can mail them, or here is the number you can call. Next, coming to the test eligibility, TCS NQT is hiring for like it's open for 2024, 2025, and 2026 batches pursuing BTech or BE, Master of Technology, MTech, Master of Engineering, Master of Computer Applications, Master of Science in any specialization offered by AICTE or UGC recognized university or colleges. So this is the eligibility criteria, and academic aggregate should be minimum must be 60% or equivalent CGPA. You must have 60%. Minimum 60% is required in all this like 10, 12, diploma, post graduation, graduation and everything. And if selected, the offer will be valid only if the degree certificate clearly states that the candidate have cleared engineering in first class within the stipulated course duration. And even though you get shortlisted, your academic certificates must show that you are eligible for this. Here you can see that candidates have clear engineering in first class within the stipulated course duration. The course you must complete it. Then only you are eligible for this. No pending backlog will be permitted at the time of appearing for the TCS selection process. So they don't allow any backlogs or arrears. So make sure you're clearing all your backlogs by the selection process. And they have clearly mentioned that candidates should have completed the course in the stipulated course duration. Extended education is not allowed, and if you have any gaps in education, it must not exceed 24 months until the highest qualification. And course types, only full-time courses will be considered. And here is another point: candidates who have completed the secondary or senior secondary course from NIOSC are eligible to apply if graduation and post graduation courses are done full time. And work experience, candidates with work experience up to 2 years are eligible to apply, and the candidate should be between 18 to 28 years. The next one is test features and pattern. The test NQT will be conducted in TCS ION centers, and it will be consisting of two sections, that is foundation and advanced. And so all will be encouraged to attempt both sections, that is advanced and foundation. And based on the test performance, they'll categorize you if you are eligible for prime, digital or ninja interviews. And here is the test pattern. Part A will be for the duration of 75 minutes. And here are the sections which you will have, and this is the duration you can check. And the advanced section duration will be of one 115 minutes. And these are the things you will be having like coding and all. Here you will be having the numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. So let's go through this. So now let's see how to apply for this. So here if you scroll, you can see apply now. Click on apply now. So as many of the peoples are registering, it's showing they're experiencing heavy load. Asked to try after some times. So let's try it after some time. You might also get this error sometimes, so don't worry about it. You can apply till March 20. So if you're new and want the registration process, you can just come to my channel, and here you can search TCS NextStep portal. So here you can see this is the video where I'll be explaining the registration process, like everything, what the details you must fill and everything I'm telling in this video in detail. So you can check this video out. For reference, I'll just open this video and I'll show you. So you can just watch it from 1 minute. You can watch it and see here. I'll explaining the process in detail. You can check. So watch this video for. So if you already have a account in TCS Next Step portal, you can just log in. Click on login here. Email ID or reference ID, and here you can enter the captcha. Here the given captcha here you can enter, and you can request the OTP. So this page will be open if you want, and if you want to know your reference ID, just you can click here, and here will be your reference ID. You need to click on apply for drive for completing your registration, and later you can fill your application, or now also you can fill it. So click on apply for drive. So here you can select, you can fill the details here. So from here you can select the skills, and then you need to select your test center 1, test center 2 and 3. So select it wisely, which will be easy for you. You need to give first preference to that, and then you need to select preferred job location, job. Then you need to give preferred job locations 1, 2, 3. Priority based you can give, like, and here you can see that allocation of test center will depend on the center capacity. So that's why they are asking three. That's why they are asking three. That's why they are asking three options. So after selecting everything, you can just click on apply for recruitment drive. So you have successfully applied for TCS recruitment drive. So the application form you can fill after the test results are declared. So you don't have to worry now. And in the next video, I'll be explaining all the FAQs about TCS NQT. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just drop them in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. And if you found this video helpful, do like, hype and share with your friends, and help this video to reach many more viewers. So see you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.